check out what we got so far. Got a window in this morning. Got that in yesterday. Got my glass for this window. Came in yesterday. Got it in. Got the door up. Got that window in yesterday. Got that bad boy in yesterday. Well, 2 days ago, yesterday. I got one more to go. This one in the back here got covered up. And I might put one more on this wall right here. And that's all for now. This is the unveiling of my tiny house kitchen set that I got. So you can see, so it looks like I got it from IKEA. It's gonna be this little thing. It's a sink for us, pretty big sink. So I'm gonna put it together. We'll see what sizes we got. Alrighty. Got a couple walls up. Bathroom wall up. Got my little kitchenette thing I'm putting together. Halfway done. I got this wall up. Gotta put my trimming on. Gotta put my sockets in. Gotta put my border down. And then the last thing we'll do is the floor. As you can see, the bathroom here. That's the bathroom. Sink here. You see I ran my pipes for the water. This is going to be the shower area. And then this will put the sink at right in the front. Probably put a window right there in the corner. Yep, that's the bathroom area. See, that's how it locks in there. Finish doing the wall there. As you can see, we still got the whole top area to finish off, the loft area. But it's coming along, guys. Let's see what we did on the outside. Alright, so we've got the shower going. Fawn has successfully lined up the shower pan with her vinyl, and I built a little stool to sit on, and the shower can run down on you. Alright, we'll check back in when we're done. Alright, I just finished this tiny sink here. It's a beauty, I like it. Gotta put the handle on it. Yeah, got it all together. So glass top. That's a little tiny seat for the tiny house. and it hangs up on the wall. So it's a hang up on the wall. I know y'all thinking like, why is it so short? But yeah, got that done. Now it's on to the next project. Alright, so I'm at my final piece here on my plumbing. As you can see, we got it ran from the shower to here. That's where my sink gonna go, right there. And that's the line that goes here to the kitchen sink. So as you can see, it goes from there to there to there, connect there, then go out the back wall here to the water tank that's gonna be out there in the utility shed. Now I got one last piece to connect. I gotta connect this piece to that piece, and then I can do a water test and see a pressure test to see how we doing. I'll get her in. Here, let me get her in quick, like show you how this is done. So I'm using Shark Bite. Let's see if I can switch the camera. Nope. Okay, so I can't switch the camera. So usually I gotta drill a hole through here, through this part to connect to this. It just pops right in and sticks, and then into this Shark Bite, pop it right into there. Boom. All done. Connections to come out the wall right here. Alright, check in later.